Hi guys, so recently I'm testing this new Frapperm trading. It's a crypto. It's upscale, no? So this is on the stage 1, but right now nasa stage 2 na yung pinaka account ko dito. And honestly, I'm impressed. So for those who just getting started, Frapperm gives you a capital to trade without risking your own money, no? Like for example, you trade and yung profits will be split. It's one of the accessible ways to scale in trading without large initial capital, I would say. So right now, nasa stage 2 ako dito. We'll discuss lang ito guys na I just want to share this one lang. And before we start, kung hindi nyo pa nalike itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. So kaka-start ko lang ng phase 2. Yan, as we observe, meron silang pinaka-daily profit na 50 USD. I decided to get the goal yung 8% kasi during phase 2, 8% na yung pinaka-goal, no. So sa phase 1, 5%. And again guys, na itong video natin today is just for educational purposes only. I just want to share my experience and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito, updates, no. So gamit ko dito is a Web3 wallet. Ayan, sa taas. Ito yung pinakagamit ko. You can just use yung OKX Web3 wallet. Yung official link naman guys, lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito. If you're interested, you can just explore dito guys, no. So right now, profits natin 800 USD. So this one is on the phase 2. So same as phase 1 but 5 profitable days tapos 8% profit guys, no. So kailangan mo dito maging profitable within 5 days para ma-pass yung phase 2 guys, no. So ito yung phase 1 I recently passed, no. Ito yung naging balance ko, ito yung pinaka spark lines. Ito yung pinaka daily profit ko. I think back 3 days ago ito. And then after that, I passed the phase 1. So right now, nasa phase 2 na ako. And yeah, this is upscale. And over 1 year na rin sila sa market. Wala silang KYC. Full transparency. They show yung pinaka-payout sa blockchain. Wherein rare lang yung ganong approach from other firms, no? So I'm testing it myself. So, I'll keep you posted kung meron mang mga results ako dito. Yeah, you can explore this one guys. Like, dito sa my trade tab, you can set yung pinaka take profit and SL naman dito. You can also set limit orders. So, if you want to buy long or sell short, buy long is actually if the price goes up, you'll get profits. If goes down, you could potentially lose. Pwede kang ma-stop out as well. So, same goes with shorting. Kabaliktaran lang. If the price goes down, you'll get profits. And if the price goes up, you'll get stop out. And you'll get loss or pwede ka ma-liquidate if you don't have your stop loss na nakaset dito guys, no. So, yeah, you can explore this one. You can check tournaments as well. Meron silang pinaka-demo. You can join if you're interested. For the accounts here, you can select account. Like, this is the basic one. The classic market, there's forex and commodities. Crypto plus classic. So, for crypto market, there's basic. Wherein there's 2 pays before you get funded once you pass. Accelerated, 1 phase only. And then, once you pass, you'll get funding. For Turbo as well, there's instant funding, negative 6% from the max trading, yung total drawdown, yung pinaka-roll nila dito. Yun guys, you can explore this one. And again, this is not financial advice, do your own research, but look like interesting option to try, I would say. So yun guys, no, I'll put the official link sa description ng video na ito. If you are interested, you can explore this crypto Frapperm dito guys, no. So I'll keep you posted na lang for some updates if ever man na mapas ko yung phase 2 and I'll get funded dito guys, no? So yun lang for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.